Yo, what's up, everybody? My name is Uncle Dons, and I'm a pencil artist from Lesotho. I'll be teaching you guys how to draw an eye, a simple eye for beginners. So, like, subscribe, and share. Let's go. So right now, I'm doing the margin of where I'm going to end my drawing. And try to deepen the outlines of the drawing. Next, I'm going to create the first layer with charcoal and try to create the first level of the skin. This is actually the most enjoyable part of the drawing. Right now, I am marking where I'm going to add the details on the drawing. First, we are going to start adding details or highlights with the electrical eraser, as you can see. I've always had a challenge of drawing skin pores and everything, but I guess I'm getting there. Right now we're drawing eyelashes, and this is the simplest part of the drawing. It's very simple, but most people confuse it and think it's hard. I think I forgot to mention all the types of tools that I've been using here, but I think you should subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna make a new video of describing the tools that I use. This is the last part of the drawing that I enjoy more than anything, drawing the iris and the people, but here we go. I actually wish this wasn't a time lapse, because now I cannot explain everything properly, and it's really quite hard for me. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed watching the video, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends.